in today's tutorial, you just how to change your date and time settings on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select time and language, and then select date and time over on the right. And then where it says, if you scroll down here, set the time automatically, you toggle that off. And then an option would appear to set the time manually, and you just would be able to select the change button for that. So just give that a moment here. And again, select change, and you can type in the correct date and time settings, select change again to confirm, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.